I am a ladybird. Blah blah blabina. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? Lots of paint. Then paper. We need paper. What else? Scissors. And what else? Glue and paintbrush. I need some toilet roll. Black. Red ladybirds have 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y, B, I, R, D. Ladybird. Now it's time to dance. You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time! Blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!